It was a really bust shift at ED today, and a lot of patients have been waiting for their treatment since the morning. One of those clients screams at the triage nurse, "You are all incompetent here. I have been waiting for 3 hours and have not got any help." What should the nurse respond initially? Number 1, I know you are upset, but I may have to call security if you continue to scream like this. Number 2, I see that you are upset about the long wait. Let's focus on how I can help you now. Choice number 3, I want you to understand that all of our doctors here are well-qualified professionals, and you will be in a good hand. Number 4, it's frustrating to wait so long, and I am sorry for the delay. The correct answer for this question is number 4. It's the good way to approach the angry client by emphasizing the frustration and not only attempting to change the topic.